Tired of looking to the right for the essentials like speed, range, trip mileage, temperature, tire pressure, or time? Get all this information right in front of you in the factory-looking dash with integrated LCD display for your Tesla Model Y or Model 3. This IPS high-definition screen with day and night modes is suitable for any scene, making you safer and more comfortable while driving. This ultra mini screen display brings essential vehicle information right in front of you. The mini screen is also designed to avoid blocking the air outlet. Fits all factory dash mounting points. That means no drilling, cutting, or special wiring necessary.
If you're looking to accessorize your vehicle, come to Moving On Sounds and Security, and we'll get the accessories your vehicle needs.